Hello, how you doing today? Welcome to another episode of TDM Eskimo Mobile. I'd like to share some more about Word on Samsung DeX. More specifically, being Word shortcuts. Do they work on DeX? What shortcuts I found in mobile Word and Office apps versus MS Site. So on the right side here you can see I have Word, and on the left side I have Word also. One's the app and one's the Office. Links will be provided for the keyboard shortcuts in Word. Some of them I found work, and some of them I found don't work. Some of the common shortcuts that do work are like cut, copy, paste, undo, and redo. So on the left side, I'm going to use a sample document. I'm highlighting what I want. And cut. So if we come down here, cut selected, Control X. And there we go. Undo. So whoops. There. So the common shortcuts, they work: cut, copy, undo, paste, redo. Some not so common shortcuts that I found that work. So we're in a heading here. If we come down here, headings 1, 2, 3 in normal style. Control, Shift, N turns that to normal. Control, Alt, and then number 1, 2, 3. This is a 2, I believe. It looks proper. So there are some not common shortcuts in Word for your Android that do work. Some line spacings work. Control 2. Even if we were to toggle a space before a paragraph, so there are some not so common shortcuts that work. And of course, you can find many of these in the drop down, your menus. But if you know what you want and you're used to using a keyboard shortcut, you can. So I'm going to select some text here. So there are some also that you can't get from a drop-down menu. Apply small caps to selected text. Control-Shift-K. Or A, and I haven't found that in the drop-down. In any drop-down menu. So if you like those kinds of formatting in your text, you would need to use your hotkeys. And then there are some shortcuts, some hotkeys that's not in the menu but work. So one of them I just showed you was change selected text to all upper caps. So I'm going to go down to the bottom. I want to show you one more. One more that works, but it's a little different. So if you know Unicode, it works in Word on your Android. You just have to use the shortcut keys. I'm going to type in 20AC. Now I'm going to highlight it. One too many C's. And the shortcut key to change that into a Unicode symbol, Alt X. And there we go. So I will have this available for download for the shortcuts that I have found that work with Word on Android. This whole document I made and created from my Word and Android. That includes the footnotes here. Now, of course, there's drop downs for footnotes, but you can use the hotkeys also. Thank you. Have a nice day.